Mario was a special bull who lived in Mexico. He was big and strong, and his mom and dad loved him very much. But Mario was different from other bulls. He didn't like to fight. He liked to be nice and friendly. One day, Mario's parents told him that a man called a matador wanted to fight him. The matador had a red cloth and a sword. He liked to make the bulls angry and chase him. Mario's parents said that this was an honor for a bull. But Mario didn't want to fight. He thought that fighting was wrong and scary. He didn't want to hurt the matador, and he didn't want the matador to hurt him. So he thought of a plan. The day of the fight came. The matador was ready in his shiny suit. The people in the seats were waiting to see the show. They didn't know what Mario was going to do. They expected Mario to fight and chase the matador. When the door opened, Mario ran into the ring and kept on running. His plan was to escape. He wanted to go somewhere else. He ran and ran until he found a place with green grass and pretty flowers. He felt happy and safe there. The people were surprised. They had never seen a bull run away before. They learned that Mario was a peaceful bull who didn't like to fight. They loved Mario for being brave and kind. Everyone respected Mario's decision, even the matador. They clapped their hands and shouted for Mario.
Club baby, everyone's invited to our party.
We hope that you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe for more.